Hello and welcome class 7 students. Today also I will solve two important sums from exercise 14 so that you can do the sums in your homework and you can understand the application of a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. So we are now concentrating in this formula only as we are solving the sums of a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. So upon these formula we will solve the sums. The sums of exercise 14, sum number 23. Sum number 23 we are going to solve right now. So sum number 23, it is given that p square minus q square into p square plus q square, p to the power 4 plus q to the power 4 into p to the power 4 plus q to the power 4 into p to the power 8 plus q to the power 8. This is the sum and you have to solve it. As I have told you in the earlier video also, that first we will deal with the first two terms given. As you can see, we can relate this sum with this formula. We can relate this with the formula a plus b into a minus b. See, a plus b into a minus b, that is, this is the product of the sum of the two terms and the subtraction of two terms. So here a means p square. So a square minus b square, in this form we will write. Here a means p square and b means q square. So p square whole square minus q square whole square. This we will write instead of the first line because we have derived the formula a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. And then we will write the remaining portion, that is p to the power 4 plus q to the power 4 into p to the power 8 plus q to the power 8. Now we will remove the bracket. P square whole square will be written as p to the power 4 and q square whole square will be written as q to the power 4. So p to the power 4 minus q to the power 4 and then p to the power 4 plus q to the power 4 and then p to the power 8 plus q to the power 8. So again we will apply the formula in the first two terms. In the first two bracket we will apply the formula a plus b into a minus b. Now so it will become p to the power 4 whole square minus q to the power 4 whole square. And the remaining portion we will write as it is, as we have done the previous sums. So by removing the bracket, again and again repeatedly we are applying the same formula. As you can see, the usage of this formula is in every step. The usage of this formula a plus b into a minus b and equals to a square minus b square. This use of this formula is applied in each and every step repeatedly with the first two brackets only, and then eventually you will see that the sum will be solved by its own. So it will become p to the power 8 minus q to the power 8 in bracket, and remaining is p to the power 8 plus q to the power 8. So ultimately the remaining two brackets are this. Again we have to apply the same formula a minus b into a plus b. Then it will be a square minus b square. Here a means p to the power 8 whole square minus q to the power 8 whole square. So ultimately the answer of this sum will be p to the power 8 whole square. That means p to the power 16 minus q to the power 16. When you remove the bracket, you will get the answer p to the power 16 minus q to the power 16. Now very quickly we will solve the next sum. I hope you have copied the sum. I hope you have understood the sum. Now the next sum we will do after 23, we will solve sum number 24. So in order to solve, I think you have taken a screenshot also, and also if you have not taken, I will solve this in the online class also. So 23, I am rubbing the sum number 23 and I am starting the last sum for today's video, that is sum number 24. Sum number 24, it is given that 1 minus a cube. Sum number 24 we are doing. 1 minus a cube in one bracket and then 1 plus a cube in other bracket. And then 1 plus a to the power 6 and then 1 plus a to the power 12. These all will be kept in separate brackets. That means it is the product, signifying the product. As usual, we will deal with this a minus b and a plus b. We will apply the formula which will be expressed as a square minus b square. Here a means 1, so 1 square, and b means a cube whole square. Remaining things we will write as it is, that is 1 plus a to the power 6 and 1 plus a to the power 12. This we will write as it is. By removing the bracket we will get 1 minus a to the power 6, because if we remove the bracket a cube will become a to the power 6. Powers are always added. So 1 minus a to the power 6 and 1 plus a to the power 6, and this will be written as it is 1 plus a to the power 12. Now again we will take these two terms. These two terms are 1 minus a to the power 6 and 1 plus a to the power 6. A minus b and a plus b formula we will apply. As you can see, in each step we are applying the formula a plus b into a minus b, and that will be a square. That will be written in the form a square minus b square. So 1 square minus a to the power 6 whole square, and in the bracket remaining portion 1 plus a to the power 12. Removing the bracket we will get 1 minus a to the power 12, and remaining portion is 1 plus a to the power 12. So as you can see, we have got a 1 minus a to the power 12 and 1 plus a to the power 12. That is a minus b and a plus b. Now we will again use the form a square minus b square. Here a means 1 square. Here b is a to the power 12. A to the power 12 whole square. Now by removing the bracket, 1 we will get, and then a to the power 12 square we will get a to the power 24, as 12 plus 12 powers are always added. 1 minus a to the power 24 is the answer of sum number 24. As you can see, I have solved two more sums for you, sum number 23 and 24 from exercise 14. Thus you can see how this sum will be solved. It is a time taking process, but it is easy one with the simple application of the formula a minus b into a plus b is equal to a square minus b square. This formula is applied and these type of sums are solved. Take a screenshot, and if you can't understand also, online class are provided to you so that I can again explain it to you. Very important sums they are. I hope you all have understood the sums. So today's class I am ending over here. Thank you. Goodbye.